I'm going to demonstrate today how to roll a bat in the 200 CCR. Since we made a video on the other machine, the 200 PCCR that we have out on the market, we decided to come back. Some people were asking why not make a video for the other one. We're going to do this to go along with the manual, just show you how easy it is. And it's a very simple process. We're going to start out by looking at your label on the bat. When you look at the label, you can see on both sides, you can use that label as your reference point. And that's how I like to start. We're going to start rolling on the very center of this top label. Put the bat in the machine, put the label at the top, turn until it just touches. It should touch right there. And at that point, you count your turns. We're going to go up in half turn increments. That's 1/2 a turn right there, and then we're going to roll. Use your offhand to guide the bat in and out. Again, you don't have to do it as fast as me. Just kind of got the hang of doing it. It's pretty simple to guide it in and out, but like I said, you don't have to do it as fast as I'm doing it. And you're just going to roll the sweet spot of the bat. You don't need to come all the way to the end of the bat. You don't need to come all the way to the taper. Just basically a flexible sweet spot of the bat. Once I've rolled that several times, I'll back it off. Now another reference point is directly between the labels, and once I roll between the labels, I'll have effectively hit 4 sides, which when we roll the top here, we roll this side and that side at the same time. This time we're going to roll this side and that side at the same time. Again, just so it touches right there, 1/2 a turn, and roll. Just the length of the sweet spot of that. Very simple. I'll back it off again. Now my next reference point is down the edge of one label. So I'm going to put the roller where it runs up and down just the edge of that label. So I'm effectively going to roll this edge of this label and that edge of that label at the same time. Until it touches 1/2 of a turn. And roll the bat. In and out, in and out. Back it off. Now same label. Down the other edge. And I'll be rolling this edge and that edge at the same time. Until it touches 1/2 a turn. Now I've effectively rolled 8 sides of the bat at 1/2 a turn of compression. I've rolled this side, that side at the same time, that side, and that side at the same time, this side, and this side at the same time, and that side, and that side at the same time. 8 points all the way around the barrel of the bat. So now is when you decide, okay, we've got 1/2 a turn compression on it. If you want to go more, there's 1/2 a turn, there's 1 turn. You're just going to repeat the process all over again. Using the labels again as your reference point. Take it off. Spin it to the center of the labels. Put one turn back on it, and go again. Again, you don't have to go as fast as I am. You need to start out slow at first until you get the hang of where the bat's going to go when you roll it in and out. Roll that side, back off for one turn, spin it to the edge of the label, put one turn back on it, and roll. Take the turn off, spin it to the other edge of the label, one turn back on. Really very easy to do, and all of this is right in the manual to go along with it. Just figured it would be a whole lot easier if you saw it before you had to buy the machine and just saw how easy it is. And that bat's finished. It's got one turn of compression rolled completely on 8 sides of the bat. If you want to go more, that's all up to you. You can roll it one turn of compression, go hit the bat, come back, decide it's not enough, and roll it more. And it's all up to you. There's a forum that we have where everybody that has one of these machines comes on there. They give you tips on which bats to roll, how many turns, everything you need to know about bat rolling you can probably find on that forum. And we give you that along with buying the machine. Forum also has support. Questions get answered. But basically it's just a community to get what you need as far as bat specific information. There's over 1,000 of these machines in the market. So that forum is a very valuable tool to use to find out exactly how much to roll a certain type of bat. Because I'm sure that somebody's been there and done that with one of these machines, and they can tell you exactly how many turns to roll it to make it as good as it's going to be. Now, I've showed you how to do it with one turn of compression. Like I said, you can go as many as you want. It's all up to you. And as far as this machine goes, this is the best perpendicular machine on the market. This machine you can roll perpendicular, and that's it on the 200 PCCR. The other machine that we sell, you can do both perpendicular and parallel rolling. But this machine right here is just as effective at breaking in the bat. It takes just a little bit more time to do it, but it's just as effective as the other machine.